Friends gap again, and he's gonna jump off of this thing into that trampoline.
Go.
Thumbs up.
Yay.
And he's gonna get this $5. Does it hurt?
No. What?
Colin, I said if you hurt yourself, I'd give you it.
No.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
No, you did.
Yes, I did.
You said if he jumps in, I'm going in. Oh,
Nick, you go first. You go first.
$5,
Dude, no.
You never
I
said
did.
if it hurt.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
I'm going in. Oh my God, I'm gonna beat you up.
Okay, hey, you want your $5? You want $5? Well, guess what? Nate, whoa. I'll put it. No. Oh, okay. It's touching my. Ew! It already touched.
Nick,
Did you just put your phone on your? He's going now.
Susan! $5, yeah, baby!
Yeah, but you know what? You know what I did to it though.
Yeah, well, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna clean it